Hi you all, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be about my review of Minimalist 10% niacinamide and zinc serum as a beginner. Niacinamide is one of the most talked active skincare ingredient of 2020, and the trend is still following in 2021 with so many Indian new and existing skincare brand coming up with their own awesome formulations of niacinamide. But yeah, first thing first, what is niacinamide? Niacinamide is a form of vitamin B3. It helps in minimizing redness, large pores, excessive oil, acne, and hyperpigmentation. In a whole, it repairs and boosts the skin barrier. It is one of the most stable active ingredient in skincare with pH close to our skin. So you can layer this up with pretty much any other actives. There was in fact a conflict of layering vitamin C and niacinamide in past, but recent studies shows it is beneficial to use niacinamide and vitamin C together. But if you are new to active in skincare, then my advice would be don't go and pair these two ingredients together at once. First try them out individually and find out which is working and which isn't for you. And also people with sensitive skin like me, if you are worried about pairing this up together, then you can do what I do, is to use them in different skincare routine, like on alternate days or one in morning and other at night. So yeah, now we will get straight into the video. The Minimalist is a new Indian skincare brand and it is quite hyped up. You may know if you are into skincare. It is a transparent, fragrance-free skincare line. Coming to this 10% niacinamide and zinc, and the product claims to reduce blemishes and acne marks. And use the product within 6 months of opening it. It has a pH of 5.5 to 6.5 and the price is Rs 599 for 30 ml of the product, but you can get it in some discount in Amazon or Nykaa sometimes. And in the packaging it is instructed to use 2 to 3 drops for whole face and then top it up with moisturizer and sunscreen if you are using it in a daytime. The texture is oil free, easily absorbed. In fact, the formulation is such that it just drained by my skin as soon as I apply, and you might end up using more than product it is required. Now we will get into the ingredient list of this product, and it is really very simple. It is consists of only 13 ingredients. The first ingredient is aloe vera juice, which is solvent in this product. Then it is niacinamide, which is mentioned as 10%, and here the zinc PCA comes before phenoxyethanol, which is preservative in this product and which is added at 1% max. So zinc is around 1% or more than 1%, and rest are hydrating ingredients and solvent. Okay, now coming to my experience with this product as a beginner. I have been using this product from last 8 weeks and you can see it's almost empty now. I have been kept this for reviewing purpose only. So yeah, I have sensitive skin and lately my skin was breaking out because of the changing climate. It's my skin, I know. So yeah, as a beginner, I'm using niacinamide for the very first time in my skincare, and this is my first bottle of 10% niacinamide and I absolutely loved it. I will tell you why. Now coming to the point that this serum caused me purging or not as a beginner. So yeah, it did. For the first 4-5 days, it was okay, but then for next 2 weeks, my skin really purged a lot. I had used this every single night and never layered this with anything except moisturizer, as I want to keep this review authentic as much possible. So this is my weekly progression, and after 3 weeks, as you can see, my purging has reduced and now it's completely awesome. It has definitely worked upon my excessive oil problem, acne to some extent, and of course acne marks. It really fastened the fading of the hyperpigmentation. But there are 2 things which I can't skip while reviewing this product, is that firstly, for the first 1-2 days when I applied the serum, I felt a bit burning and tingling sensation, but but it get normalized in next 5 to 10 minutes. And I also have faced this issue whenever I have applied this over my active acne. So I believe it is because of the zinc maybe. And secondly, sometimes while applying this product, I felt a bit peeling of the product. Maybe I have applied it more than 2 or 3 drops as instructed. I don't know. But if any of you have used this product, please let me know your views in the comment section. Apart from those, I really love this product. It worked wonderfully on my acne scars and pigmentation, and of course, sebum control. The only downside I feel is that it's dropper packaging. I prefer the pump one more, but it is definitely compromisable coming to the price point of the product. And yeah, recently they have also changed the packaging. I guess it now comes in a black tinted glass bottle, which is really awesome. On a whole, I will definitely recommend this product to anyone with acne, hyperpigmentation, excessive sebum production, and broken barrier skin. And if you are looking for maintaining a healthy skin barrier or a healthy overall glow, then you can go for the 5% niacinamide formulation, because that is the standard percentage at which most of the studies were done, and it is just enough for you if you don't have any major skin concern, like I have mentioned before. So coming to the final point, would I repurchase this product or not? So it is definitely yes, but as of now, there are many Indian skincare brand that is coming up with really clean ingredient list and fragrance free line, like the Deconstruct, Dr. Sheth's, and Earth Rhythm recently also. So I have got this one for myself in a sale from Dr. Sheth's, and I am using this for the last 4 weeks now. So you can definitely expect a review of this one and a comparison between these two pretty soon on my channel. So that was all. Hope you like the review, and if you do, please support my channel. And this review was a long due as my exams were going on. So yeah, hope to see you soon. Till then, bye.